Now introducing the Me Pencil. It comes in various colors, but I'm not gonna name them because I'm too lazy. But blue and pink. You idiot. Okay. You can even draw the Mona Lisa with this thing. Draw the Mona Lisa. And if you mess up like this idiot, you can use the eraser. Hey, put it back on. That's not cool. Okay, no. You can even use the eraser.
The eraser.
Look at that smile. Look at that Mona Lisa smile. Okay, now I'm gonna take it for a minute. Aim it in your ugly face. Put the strap on. Wait. It's even good for partying. Oh God, my hand. Oh, call the cops.
There's your medic. It's the dog.
Okay. Now we're gonna swap out for some reason and rank up random stuff. The Me Pen. Buy it or die.